Can you see yourself in the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500? With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control, intermittent wipers, split bench seat, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.